Good morning, I'm Gemma Bruce, Client Portfolio Manager on npower's Optimisation Desk. Welcome to today's market update, Friday the 25th of September. So the gas market has opened roughly flat to a touch lower this morning, with the power market being slow to get going, although it is likely to track the movement seen on gas. Brent oil is stable this morning, trading just above $48 per barrel. And we've also seen the pound recover some of yesterday's losses against the euro. So if you have any questions, please contact us on the displayed email address, or for more detailed information, continue to watch. So demand continues to be above seasonal normal levels for gas today as a result of temperatures remaining a touch below average for the time of year, and gas-fired generation continuing to dominate the power stack. As a result, the gas system is currently forecast to close 5 MCM short. Norwegian flows via the Langeland pipeline have increased today, currently flowing at 36 MCM. However, they are continuing to be impacted by the ongoing maintenance at Troll, which is seeing Norwegian supply reduced by 15 MCM per day. Storage for the time being is relatively inactive. However, we could see withdrawal nominations later today in order to bring the system to balance. On the power side of things, margins there remain relatively tight at 6.4 gigs, although this is an improvement on the level that we saw yesterday, and this is largely as a result of an increase in coal generation online, which has improved by 1.3 gigs this morning to make up 22% of the stack. Wind generation for the time being is relatively healthy at 2.4 gigs. However, forecasts do expect this to tail off across the day to just 500 megs this afternoon and into the weekend. As a result, we could therefore see an increase in thermal generation come online to cover the shortfall, which could add pressure to the gas system. So yesterday afternoon we saw reports that Russia has offered Ukraine a gas price discount for the fourth quarter of this year, ahead of talks which are taking place today. The European Union and Ukrainian energy officials will be meeting with Russian representatives in Brussels today to set out an agreement for the supply of gas over the winter period, with Russia claiming to be hopeful that a deal can be brokered. On the currency side of things, the pound has recovered some of its losses it saw yesterday afternoon against the euro, however remains 0.47% lower week on week. We've also seen the dollar rise against most major currencies after the Federal Reserve stated that the US Central Bank is on track to raise interest rates this year. Okay, so that completes my market update for today. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you at the same time again on Monday.